For the beginning of our project, we used the temperature sensor. The reason we use the temperature sensor is so that when we go up to Mars, like on our ship, we can study the climate so that we don't die when we get up there if the change is too different.
We're going to be using the temperature sensor TMP36 by taking the sensor and connecting it to the breadboard, which then we're going to be putting out on the Arduino kit.
All right, here we are constructing the Arduino. We have the Arduino going to the temperature sensor. We're using the TMP36. We're connecting these 3 wires to the ground, the valve, and the power, and then to the respective spots of the Arduino. As you see here, we're using the 5 volt power, the analog A0, and then the ground wire on the Arduino kit. And then on the breadboard, we have red wires going to power, green wires going to valve, and then black wires going to ground.
And then for the code, we have the code, it defines the variables at the top so that it'll work properly. It reads the value from the temperature sensor and then it converts that into the voltage. Then it takes the voltage and uses that in a temperature calculation to calculate the temperature that the sensor is detecting. And then it'll print the temperature in degrees Celsius, and the last line of code delays it for a second before the next reading.
All right, here's our virtual simulation of our Arduino kit that we set up. So right now the temperature is set to 48 degrees Celsius, and it's reading 48 and printing it out every second. Here, if I raise it up to 109 degrees Celsius, it is coming out at 109. And then if I lower it all the way down to -35, every second it will be sending that reading.
Why are we using Celsius when we're in America?
Since we are going to a new planet, Celsius is the universal of science. It's the universal measurement system. So we're going to stick to the universal one as we're going to a new planet.
Another problem our group ran into was using the Tinkercad website. To fix this, our group went on YouTube, watched a couple YouTube video tutorials to fix this, and then we were able to use the website after that. During our group project, we ran into 2 problems, and one of the problems were that both of our coders forgot how to use Robot C. And to fix this, we went online and read the manual of Robot C, and we were able to fix the code and create a working code towards the end of it.
During this project, we learned many skills, and they're pretty important skills too. We also faced many problems, but we overcame these problems. We also overcame these problems through the process of elimination, while also we were learning some of the skills we learned were how to read an instruction manual and learn how to fix problems like within our own hands and figure things out on our own.